Hey everyone, I've always wanted a bat wing headband, so that's what today's DIY is going to be. The materials you'll need for this is a headband, black felt, scissors, a marker, hot glue gun, wire, black ribbon, and the pattern of course. First you want to choose a wing pattern and trace it on paper. Next you'll cut out the pattern and outline it over a doubled over or 2 sheets of black felt. And make sure to reverse the pattern so you have a right wing and a left wing. It's not the best idea to do it in the dark like I did. I had a really hard time seeing, so make sure you're in a well-lit area. After you cut out the pattern on both sides, flip them so you don't see any marks from your marker from tracing. Shape and bend your wire around your wings and carefully hot glue it in place. Just make sure you don't burn yourself. Add more glue to the center and place the mirrored felt piece on top, and do this for both the right and the left wing. Once everything is glued in place, choose the best placement of where you want your wings to sit on your head and secure each piece to your headband by wrapping the wire around it and hot gluing it in place. You can tidy up your headband and make it more uniformed if you wrap and cover it with a black ribbon. Be sure to place a little bit of glue throughout so it doesn't come undone. You can decorate your wings however you'd like. I used fabric glue and black glitter to spice it up a little bit and basically act as the skeleton within the wings. Then you just let it dry overnight and you are all done. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies tomorrow. Bye.